Hey guys, welcome to today's video. If this is your first time at my channel, hi, I am Tabitha. And today we're gonna be trying on sparkly dresses. So pretty much I just decided like I had this sparkly dress from a company called Dear Lover. If you haven't heard of them, you can watch some of my videos. I will link it up on one of these sides. I forget which side it comes out of. But anyways, they're a really super cheap website and they pretty much, this dress was probably like 12 bucks. I'll look to this camera here so you can see it, but like it's a high-low situation. So it's high in the front, low in the back. So thanks Dear Lover for sending me this dress. I thought I'd wear it today because this whole theme of this video is sparkly prom dresses. So all these prom dresses are from the website Kate Kasin, if I think I'm saying that right, I'm not sure. Anyways, I ordered these prom dresses like way back in June. So to be completely honest with you, I have no idea what we're about to unbox here. So far, this dress is not itchy, so I'm really happy about it. I'm a little bit concerned for the other ones because I don't know about you, but in my past, whenever I've worn sequiny dresses, they itch. So, but I mean, you want to sparkle at the prom. So anyways, this is definitely more of like an evening, like cocktail type dress versus a prom dress, but I thought it would work for the announcer part of this video. So hello, I'm announcing it right now. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, so go ahead, other Tabitha, go ahead and interrupt me now. Is it an interruption if I let myself interrupt myself? Hey, I'm gonna pause myself here and like don't be mad about it, don't skip ahead because I have a giveaway. So I'm gonna be giving away something from this company called, oh darn tootin', I forgot what it's called. I'm gonna put it on the screen because that's better. It's been a while since I got these and so I completely forgot, but I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I was opening it the other day because I found it. I was like, oh yeah, I totally forgot about this. And then I was like, I don't know if I want to give it away because it's so cute. So one of my favorite ones of the collection has this little heart and inside it has like the globe or the world. So I love this, and plus it's gold and it's so stinking beautiful. One of the next ones was the infinity sign, and so like usually I don't like infinity signs with jewelry because I think it looks cheap, but I love how they put the black like string with this gold. I think that detail makes it look much more classy. My other one in the top three is this adorable flower with like black string. And again, I just think that's so dainty and so beautiful. I'm obsessed with this. Love this one. It comes with a more beaded and bulky bracelet as well to contrast all the size of the small wee ones. So this isn't something, I don't really like to stack bracelets, so I'm not really in love with this one compared to the other ones, but I know there are people that love to stack it, and so they did include this bracelet. But my absolute favorite one is one that this has the design that I was possibly thinking of getting a tattoo of. So what it is it's a wave. And so I thought this wave would be so cute inside of like a sea turtle shell. Like I love sea turtles. To win these bracelets, and I will literally ship them to your house, all you have to do is be subscribed. I need you to comment down below your Instagram handle so that I know that you've entered and I know how to reach you and find you. And I want you to comment below one thing that you are working on in your life right now. Not like to make you a better person, but like that idea of like, so like for me right now, I'm working on setting emotional boundaries with people and not trying to control or manipulate other people, but trying to just control my life. Does that make sense? Anyways, and I will DM the winner within 2 months. Without further ado, let's just get into today's video. Hey guys, Commentary Tabitha is back for today's video. I'm not actually going to be here long. I just needed to pop in and say I was looking on the website to try to find these dresses and I only can find 2 out of the 5 dresses. So I'll put those pictures on the screen so you can see the 2 dresses that I could find, but the other 2 are discontinued, so I can't show you the pictures of the dresses. So you're just going to have to enjoy the video. Wow, I feel like I'm going to prom. Like this was totally a prom dress that I would have looked at. Like I'm wondering, my sister might maybe wear one of these to her prom here coming up. This is a quality dress, so I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but there's pads in this dress and I don't think you can tell at all. I love this lace, and oh, by the way, I guess this one does not have sparkle, like probably like Tabitha, this does not have sparkle. Oh my word, you know what this could be? I could keep this and wear this for Halloween and be Wendy. You know Wendy from Peter Pan? That's what this also looks like because this is like the softest fabric in the entire world. I love the little ruffles, like so cute, and the back is gorgeous. Like it fits me and you don't have to wear a bra because it has pads in the front, so it's so cute. This one's definitely 10 out of 10, which I can't believe I'm saying that because it's blue. Something really cool about this dress is that my best friend's sister came over and she tried on this dress and she decided that she was gonna wear this dress for her senior prom. I'm shook. I love this dress. First of all, the flowiness of it is gorgeous. The fabric is gorgeous. It's super wrinkled because it's been in a plastic bag for like 6 months, let alone however long it was in the warehouse before they shipped it to me. The jewels I don't like. but the jewels are literally only attached with a piece of thread that can be completely removed with literally one snip. So I could go through and just remove the jewels. And I think the sequins with this dress is so cool. Like if you can see the detail of it, it's pretty much there's sequins and then you have this little ruffle here. So interesting, but I love the idea. I just want to remove the jewels because I just feel like the jewels don't look super expensive compared to if you took those off. This is a really beautiful dress and I love, look at that, it's like salsa. You're probably seeing me now here and you're like, what are you doing? This is what I did. I took off a handful of sequins from this side. If you can see, this side has no more sequins, this side has sequins. Literally, that looks so much better. Maybe it's supposed to be like that instead of like that. I guess that might make more sense. You're supposed to tuck in the little loopy loop. All right, here's the next one. My word, am I sparkling like a disco ball? Okay, but number one, oh my gosh, it's so itchy. Right along the V of this dress, it is so itchy. Like the seams are itchy because I guess that's probably where the sequins are tickling me. Like this is really pretty. This dress is much longer than the other ones and also the back part, like it's slaying. Like it's a really pretty dress. It's much looser than the other ones though, that's definitely for sure. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below of this dress. Would you actually wear this sparkly of a dress to prom? If you would, you go girl. All right, next. Guess what? This prom dress, my sister actually decided to wear to her senior prom. I have never seen a prom dress like this. This right here turns around. So you could have it here and then have the bow in the back, which the back is so pretty. But then you could flip it too. So you could have this in the back and have this in the front. And so anyways, it comes off too. So if you don't want to do it at all. What do you guys think of this dress? This is really cute and gorgeous. I feel like this would be a really pretty like figure dress. Like, woohoo! We have some hips going on. Right? I don't know, I couldn't breathe. Fits my sleeves and my arms well, and the back is breathtaking. It's so pretty, I love it. I'm speechless. This is why I'm speechless. I disliked in high school off the shoulder dresses. Like I thought they looked cheesy, I thought they didn't look pretty. Guys, this looks so classy. It is a little bit wrinkled, like I can tell it's wrinkled. If I stood on my tiptoes, it's a perfect length. It's gorgeous. It fits the back of me well. I did not have to wear a bra, and I think I'd be fine with not wearing a bra because there's pads inside. It fits my waist well. It zips on the side here. Oh my word, look at how pretty. Okay, I'm gonna spin. Whoa! Oh my word, I'm a princess. This was so much more fun, like trying on dresses that I completely did not remember. Maybe in the future, I need to have like my boyfriend or my best friend or like sister or dad or something like order the dresses, and then I won't have any idea what they are and I'll try them on. Oh my word, that camera's lying. So I gotta go. Thanks for sticking it out to the end with me. You're the real MVP. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Consider giving it a thumbs up if you did. That really helps my videos out. And make sure if you haven't entered the giveaway yet that you enter the giveaway. I don't have a lot of subscribers yet, and so you have a really good chance of winning. So I hope that you do win, and I will see you next Thursday at 7 for another upload. Bye!